Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to have a crack at. To have a crack at something is to attempt to solve a problem. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. After repeatedly failing to gain market share, our advertising department is going to have a crack at it again with a more aggressive campaign. The government invited experts from around the world to have a crack at solving the energy crisis. Today's idiom is to have a crack at, to attempt to solve a problem. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.